Our credit report tip of the day. After a major life crisis, approaching your bank for 6 months of breathing room can feel daunting. But your credit report is your ally. It shows your payment history, current obligations, and responsible financial actions, giving you credibility and transparency. By reviewing it carefully, you can highlight opportunities for deferred payments, debt restructuring, and demonstrate your plan to regain stability. With a clear picture and strategy, your credit report becomes a tool that opens the hard conversation and positions you to rebuild confidently.